Ayan ma, kakanta ang anak mong paborito ma. Ang mahal mong anak sa lahat. Todo na yan, mame. Pinakaya guys.
Kaya pala narinig ko si Meray.
Pinakaya guys. Wala nang hangin sa baga. Ayan pa yung mga fans niya. Oh.
Jalata po guys.
Sabi, tulungan mo ko. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Flight! In the flight! Ay, simple na kayo bisin yan.
Ayan po may birthday. Ayan po may birthday guys. Ano yung pang singer namin? Ang kapatid kong in love guys. Ayan po yung my birthday. Ayan po yung isang tagahanga na kapatid. Tahimik, may dumaan hangin. Upos sining nga. Upos sining
I will be there. If we go again, all the way from the start, I would try to do anything that keeps our love. You fight as bad as war, so strong that I can't get through. Is this really no change?
Ayan yung kuya, tawa lang.
That was a good. If we go again, all the way from the start,
Galing na sa labas yung hangin.
I will try to do anything.
Hindi na kinakaya guys. Super in
Yes, I
love.
had your card. You know what you've been through.
Wala na. Hindi na kinaya. Pumasok na sa loob.
Give me the end. I'm still loving you. Okay? Tama pala.
Nilapitan pa ni Uben eh para po